Looking for the best gas pool heater for your Inground Oasis? Look no further. Today, we're diving into the LINGXIAO variable speed pool pump, a top contender in the world of pool maintenance. Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest and greatest products to help you make informed decisions. Hey there, pool enthusiasts! If you're like me, keeping your pool crystal clear and ready for a swim is a top priority. That's why I'm excited to introduce you to the LINGXIAO variable speed pool pump. Let's take a closer look at what makes this pump stand out from the rest. First off, this pump packs a punch with its 2.0 horsepower design, making it suitable for over 90% of in-ground pools in the United States. Plus, it's ENERGY STAR certified, meaning it meets stringent energy efficiency standards set by the California Energy Commission. So not only will it keep your pool pristine, but it'll also save you money on your energy bills. Installation is a breeze, thanks to its compatibility with both 115 volts and 230 volts power sources. And with included 1.5 and 2 unions, you won't need to fuss with changing your plumbing system for a seamless replacement. For those of you with the Pentair PL4 control system, rejoice! This pump is perfectly compatible, ensuring effortless integration into your existing setup. Whether your pool is 5,000 gallons or a whopping 37,000 gallons, this pump has you covered. Plus, with its 3-year USA warranty, you can have peace of mind knowing that if any issues arise, help is just a phone call away. So there you have it, folks. The LINGXIAO variable speed pool pump is truly a game-changer when it comes to keeping your in-ground pool in tip-top shape. With its power, efficiency, and reliability, it's a must-have for any pool owner. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, happy swimming!